Well, for the duration of this class, I'll be showing you functionality and user interface of Metashape Pro for Mac. For this class, I'll be working on version 1.7.3, build 12248. The user interface and installation process are quite similar for all platforms, macOS, Windows or Linux. After downloading Metashape Pro from the Agisoft website and installing it, the Metashape icon will appear in a Launchpad. If you are new to the Mac, Launchpad is a kind of a folder for all installed applications on your Mac, with more convenient way to check. For efficiency, I recommend you to move Metashape shortcut to the dock. The dock is this colorful strip of icons appearing in the lower part of the screen. To launch Metashape Pro, please click once on the icon. Metashape Pro launches as a single window, taking up all or most of your display. To resize the window, use your mouse and drag the lower right corner of the window. To make the window to fit your display resolution, double-click on the upper part of the window. When opening Metashape Pro first time, the window will be empty until you import footage and build any kind of models in your project. We will be doing this in the next several lessons. In order to better showcase user interface of the Metashape Pro, I'm going to show you what Metashape Pro looks like with a fully populated workspace, with media files and the completed project. To download media files for this class, please click the link below, and a zip file titled Metashape and UAV will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download has been completed, locate and double-click the file to uncompress it. The folder contains additional subfolders and the file with extension PSX. This is the main file from the Metashape with already generated project.